Hey, it's Sasha.
Hey, it's Sakura.
Hi, my name is Farrah Moan. You might have seen me on a little TV show called RuPaul's Drag Race.
It is Pride season, and Tasty is challenging us to make America's first breakfast superstar.
The challenge though, I only have 20 minutes, some satin fabric, some eyelashes, some glitter, some dog wigs, and a dream.
This is what they think about drag queens during Pride. They say, what are we gonna do at Tasty? Make them make cereal. There's not even food in here.
Oh my God, okay. So this is the box. I would like to, I don't think I want a humanoid on the front, so this is gonna be the front of our box.
We have so many things here. We have wigs from very, very small individuals. You said these were dog wigs? You said the dogs have been euthanized?
She needs everything here. All right, we need a mug.
We're gonna grab the box of paint, and we're gonna grab pink and hot pink and baby pink, and we're just gonna throw the other ones out of the way, okay? We got 20 minutes, people. We don't have time to think about being gentle, okay?
You know what? I'm gonna be the mascot for this. I am gonna be the mascot for this brand, so let's just do a self-portrait, right? Nothing is more vain than being a cereal mascot.
In creating a cereal, people need to know what the name is first and foremost. So I'm gonna take some pink paint. This is going to be pinky puffs. And it's going to be a strawberry, whole grain, high fiber fantasy.
To be part of the House of Colby, I think some must-haves. She's gotta have some rockin' hair. The mug has to be on lockdown. And I don't know, we're here for Pride. Let's give them Pride. Let's be proud of all of it. Let's see, how big do I want my eyes? I think I want a different size of each.
What makes me a Rock'em Sakura? Okay, so here's the three things. Sense of wonderment, chaos, bad childhood. So however you get those things, then you can totally be me.
Oh, to be one of my daughters, they cannot argue. If you're going to be my daughter, you need to understand that I know best, I'm always right, and I don't care what you think about any situation. I've already lived it and I know the correct answer, and you follow my lead or you get out of my house. That is why I don't have any daughters.
Oh, she's gonna be special. Like all my children. So now let's do a little mug. Well, let's put a nose, let's put some brows. She's got a nose job. She got the FFS. Yes, this girl is trans.
My boy name is so white. It's Brian Bradford. Don't look it up, okay? Bradford is also a type of pear. If we make the cereal Bradford pear flavored, then that would be very unique. Do you guys know what the Bradford pears are? Do you know what they are? Yeah, they're the trees that smell like.
Okay, I think we got a good foundation for the makeup. I think this is gonna be it. For now. I think this is just so cute though. Let's make this happen. We love a good wig, we love a good hair extensions, we love a good ponytail. Oh yeah, there she is, mama. And it's kind of like to the side, it's a little askew, right? Oh, girl.
What do you think about this hair? What do you think about in the box? What do you think about that? You know what? There was a dog who was gonna look real pretty, but not today. Fun. Look at her, she's so fun. She's having a great time. She's having fun.
Oh my God, for Pride season, I love nothing more than to put on some SPF 50 and stay inside and watch everybody walk to the festival from my window and think, I was young once. No, but really, we love Pride season. Hopefully, we'll be doing some traveling, doing some shows, spreading the love. So if you are out there watching and it is Pride season, go be proud with your divas. Oh, I've got paint all over me.
When I get into a new city, actually, I've been on a faux excursion trying pho in every single place that I go. One of the best is in Seattle. Another place was Toronto, had some really good pho. If y'all have any recommendations, let me know, because I love a good pho, I love a good broth.
Oh my God, well, so my routine when I'm in a new city traveling is I must find the first local cafe that has character, that sums up the city. When I was younger, I used to just tell myself, I'll see the city again. You never know if you're gonna see that city again, so I like to go see the city.
When I go to a new town, I will order myself an Uber Eats for after the function. I hate when you do like the drag gig and then there isn't anything open. So I'll order something, I'll put it in the fridge, get it for later. I'll put all of my drag out, I'll set all of my stuff out, and then I'll probably take a nap.
Shameless plug, right? Yes, I have my own weed line. I'm working with an amazing company called Flamer that's based in New York City. We are in about 30 different dispensaries all up in New York and selling the most potent infused pre-rolls that you can imagine. The reviews are very muted because they are planted. Okay. Maybe a bracelet. How much time do I have for a bracelet?
Sasha, you got 3 minutes.
Okay.
We just don't have time to wait for glue to dry. And she's getting a bob. I'm known for bob yearning. Like I've always yearned for a bob, but I've just never had the bravery to go and follow that dream.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Oh, I love glitter. You have a broom, right? Okay. I went nowhere. It's up for the kids. Yeah. Oh, it just looks like dandruff.
She's fab, okay?
1 minute.
You know what? She has 1 minute. I think we are good because she has 1 minute to take a look at herself and know that she is the best right now. She is the proudest. She is the most fab. We need a name, right? We're gonna need a name for her. I don't know, Mocha Chocolata Colby? I think that's amazing.
Pinky Puff says, it's so sweet that you won't believe it's a healthy treat.
It'll be called Poppers. Oh, and the prize inside comes with a free cloth.
20 seconds. I'm done. Look, I'm so good at this, I didn't need the whole time.
You know what? I think we're done.
One lash. Oh my God.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1.
Damn.
You can put it on. You can put it on.
Tasty Pride, I present to you the newest member of House of Colby, Mocha Chocolata Colby. We have a lovely cereal box packed with all the nutrients, cage-free, in your bowl. It's flavored with chocolate and she is so fabulous after eating this. I can't wait to look just as good as my new daughter.
Introducing Pinky Puffs by Farrah Moan. Pinky Puffs are the Pride season breakfast of the chosen divas of the world. With Pinky Puffs, you'll get 100% of your daily fiber. There's going to be dehydrated strawberries in every bite so that when you use your organic whole grain coconut milk, they're gonna rehydrate into juicy goodness, while whole wheat bran flakes are going to swell and absorb and soak up all that delicious milk. And so every single bite is gonna be so sweet, you can't believe that it's a healthy treat.
It's Poppers. Everybody loves Poppers. Poppers, you'll pop. Why? Because there is over 1,000 grams of fiber per serving. And it comes with free wigs to serve your cereal in. A serving size is only 1 wig full. Doesn't matter how big your head is. It's the same serving size every single time. If you're looking for what type of flavor this is, it's got notes of feathers, scissors, hair, nails, other plastic things. When you add cereal, that's what the bowl smells like. I win? I won?
Well, daughter, you're a loser. But you're still a winner in my eyes. We didn't win, but I think it was a personal victory for us.
I lost? I lost, okay. Well, are we done here?
Oh, I won a food-safe spatula? You know what? I'd like to thank everyone who helped me with this. No one. Because no one is there for you but yourself. I'm just kidding. Happy Pride. Thank you so much to the community that helped uplift me. I can't believe I won. And Farrah lost. This is the best day of my life.